Hello everybody, Namaste, this is Chef Amir and you are watching Chef Life Vlog. In today's video, I'm going to use a fresh tomato, some cherry tomatoes, red and yellow, some fresh strawberries, one piece of red radish, and I'm going to use a fresh basil leaf. Similarly, salt and pepper as usual are the basic ingredients of every recipe. Then I'm going to use a balsamic reduction. It is a reduction with the balsamic vinegar and sugar, okay? And then I'm going to use half piece of mozzarella, buffalo mozzarella. Similarly, I'm going to use 4 pieces of green olives. As you can see, 4 pieces of green olives which is pitted already. There is no seed inside. And I'm going to use extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 part of red onion, and basil pesto. If somebody don't know what is pesto is a sauce that is originated from Genova, okay? It is originated from Genova, which is also called alla genovese, which is made by the crushed garlic, pine nuts, coarse salt, basil leaves, hard cheese like pecorino, parmigiano reggiano. All these ingredients are blended with olive oil, which is called as pesto sauce. So as you know already the pesto sauce, so let's start the video by first step. Let us cut the tomato, these big tomatoes, into leaf shape. Then we will keep aside and start to make a mozzarella caprese. Let's go. हजुरहरूलाई यो भिडियो कस्तो लाग्यो यदि मन परेको छ भने कमेन्ट सेक्सनमा आफ्नो कमेन्ट लेख्न नबिर्सिनु होला साथै इफ यु लाइक दिस भिडियो डु नट फर्गेट टु लाइक शेयर एन्ड सब्स्क्राइब माई च्यानल यति भन्दै आजलाई बिदा हुन चाहन्छु आगामी दिनहरूमा अन्य थुप्रै अमेजिङ रेसिपीहरू लिएर आउने बाचा गर्दै टिल देन दिस इज शेफ अमीर साइनिङ अफ माई च्यानल टेक केयर बाइ बाइ